Everyone, it's Dr. Joanna Ray, and I'm here with you for another episode of Sustain a Soul, where we talk about soulful and sustainable living, including financial independence. So on this channel, if you are new here, or if you've been here for a while, you know that I am working on building a $1 million+ portfolio for retirement, and I do monthly updates on my portfolio, and right now I'm working towards a milestone of $150,000 invested. I'm getting there very shortly, hopefully in the next year or so, but I'm pumping as much money as I can into the market, and the market has really been on my favor this month. In fact, cryptocurrency has been up, and so has the NASDAQ 100, up. Really, it's just been amazing. And yeah, so let's go ahead and look at the numbers. Right now, I have not have any sales or any swing trades this month. I did have dividends, and it was $3.68 of QQQ. And QQQ is a rather small position of mine because I started investing at QQQ, and then I realized that QQQM is the same but with a lower expense ratio. So it actually holds the NASDAQ 100, which is the same equities in terms of what the holdings of this particular ETF or exchange traded fund is. It's a newer version and slightly leaner version in terms of expense ratios. So I do have a larger position of QQQM, and I believe that dividend was paid out a couple of months ago. So I have averaged into a few of my equities, including crypto, both Bitcoin and Ethereum, which have been going really up lately. I'm actually in the green on Bitcoin, and so that's really great. And I actually averaged into Rivian, which is a electric vehicle company, as well as ESGV, Vanguard's environmental social governance ETF, as well as SCHD, which is Schwab's dividend ETF. Okay, so we will take a look at these positions in a little bit more details, but I did put roughly $555 into my Robinhood account, which is in Thai, ha ha ha. Funny, not funny, I don't know, but it cracks me up. And then also I put roughly $600 into VTI, which I will get into later when I get to my Vanguard account, which is slightly less than my normal investment of $1,555. And the reason being is because I have already reached my goal of an annual investment of $20,000 per year, but I am continuing to dollar cost average into my accounts. And this month I just got really busy towards the end, and I was not able to make my trades. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Robinhood account. But before I do that, I just want to remind you that I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice in any way, shape, or form. And this is purely for entertainment value purposes. Please do your own due diligence before you do any investing. Okay, so here we are in my Robinhood account, and as you can see, the account is currently at $57,532.50, and I'm just going to go ahead and scroll down. Right now I have zero buying power. I have completely drained my buying power. Let me go back real quick. Actually, right here, you can see that in the past week, my account has gone up $841, and in the past month, it has gone up a whopping $3,690. That is just flippin' amazing. And I only put $555 in. So currently my gains for this month are 3,000 buckaroos. And that is just, that just goes to show you that it pays to dollar cost average. It pays to keep investing when things are low. Right now my Bitcoin is up by $1,000, nearly $600. My Ethereum down by 240. Right now, the QQQM, I don't know what this little pop-up is, but that's QQQM. It's currently up $6,000, nearly $286 here. And QQQ was actually in the green a few days ago, but it's now currently down $40. And SCHD is up $71. This was down significantly last month, I believe. And Pfizer, sadly, still in the red. SCHG, which is the growth Schwab ETF, is also currently up. Oatly, again, sadly down, speculative play. And ESGV, Vanguard's ESG ETF, is up $10, as well as Riven up $3.33. So yeah, I'm not sure. Let me go ahead and take a look at some of the holdings. I'll just focus on the stocks and the ETFs. Right here we have QQQM. I'm currently looking at a price per share of $158.66. My market value is $37,560. I'm up 20%. That is amazing. And also looking at QQQ, again, I have used this kind of as a benchmark because I started investing first in QQQ when QQQ was at its high. It's currently at around $384, and my position is around $2,600, and I'm down roughly 1.6%. SCHD with a D, this is the dividend ETF of Schwab, is trading at $73.40. I have a position of $5,000, and right now I'm up a 1.5%, which is not bad. This has been down as of late. So the price per share has gone up, and my average cost per share is right around a little bit slightly lower than that. Pfizer, sadly, still trading quite low at around $29.40. My average cost is around $40, so I was buying this at around $10 more per share. I don't have a lot invested, only around $718, but I am down a large percent, which is 27%. Okay, and looking at SCHG, which is Schwab's growth ETF, large caps, it's currently trading at a flat $79. I have a market value of $1,000, slightly less than $100. The average cost per share is $76.51, and I'm up 3.3% nearly. Okay, well, we are going to look next at Oatly, which is a speculative play in an oat milk company, which I do drink Oatly on the regular. And it is currently only trading at $1.05. I think I started buying when it was around $2 and so. So right now my average cost per share is $2.18. I have 210 shares, but I'm really not looking to average down on this position. I'm hoping that the position will come up, and then I'll reconsider what I will do with this position. I'm currently down 52% on this position. ESGV, Vanguard's ESG US stock ETF, is currently trading at $81.09. I currently have just barely $232 in it, and I'm up 4.6% around that. And Riven, the kind of SUV truck electric vehicle company, which I'm hoping will go to the moon, is trading at $17.52. I have a market value of $140, which is just $140, which is just 8 shares. And I'm looking at a $3.33 or 2.4% gain. So it's nice to see the positions in the green. Well, that's it for the Robinhood account. Let's now go ahead and take a look at Vanguard. Here we are actually in the Empower app, but it is showing my updated Vanguard account. It's currently standing at $72,836.22. And as you can see here, I have kind of gone down and then gone back up in the past couple of months. I believe this is October. Yeah, October was not a lovely month in general, but we have kind of bounced back, and I have been averaging in, and it was up to 73,500, which was really nice to see it go over 73,000. But I'm now looking at a slightly lower value, about $500 less. Sorry, the gains in VU haven't been as attractive as NASDAQ 100. So I did withdraw $100 from my money market account. I did mention in previous videos that I have been using this as a kind of place to park some money, and I did not invest that money. So I am using that for something, and I do have that coming in. And I do have some investment income from the money market account, a nice $24. And I think I had about $600 of trades in VTI and also VOO. And just in general, those are my equities and ETFs in this account, VOO as well as VTI, and a bit of VFIAX that I purchased many years ago. So yeah, this is Vanguard account, and let me just go ahead and wrap it up. Basically, this month I think I have around 130,000 and a change, maybe around $200 to $300. I'll put the exact amount here on the screen, and I am really very happy with the gains in the account. However, it is kind of a double-edged sword, really. If the actual price of everything has gone up in value, it means that the cost to own has actually gone up. So really, it's more attractive to buy when prices are low, but psychologically it's more difficult to do so. And so I'm really just dollar cost averaging. That is the game right now. I'm looking at the long term. I'm really investing for the next 20-25 years. And looking at retirement, like I said, I'm trying to get $1 million or $1.5 million dollars invested in the market that I will live off of in retirement. So really, this is a long game, and dollar cost averaging really gives you, sometimes you buy high, sometimes you buy low, but on average, you're gonna do better than if you try to time the market. No one has a crystal ball, and you never know when you've reached the highs, you never know when you reach the lows. And as this year has really shown, the market can go down and the market can go up. And I believe overall I am, up in total, obviously investing heavily every month and trying to do what I can do to put myself in a better place for retirement. And remember, no one is going to take care of you when you're old as best as you can take care of you. So keep yourself responsible to yourself in the future. Make sure you set yourself up for success. And that's what I'm trying to do. I don't want to be a burden on anyone else, and just really try to make sure that I take care of my own financial house for my future. So thank you so much for watching. And if you do like this content, do like and subscribe. It really helps me to see the content that you want to see. And I appreciate every single subscriber. I'm so close to 200 subscribers. So if you can, please subscribe. It will help me out so much. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.